I'm Ryan. I'm the community constable for Te Awamutu. And
yeah, I'm Hayden. I'm the local sergeant in Narrawahia. I work in prevention, so that's everywhere from Metameti in the north to Raglan in the south. Oh, it's great. We're really happy to be here. It's great to see everyone out and about today. Everyone's enjoying themselves. There's sports going on. There's kai to be eaten, speeches. It's really great.
Kia ora, my name is Tegan. I'm from Rangatahi and we're here with our Tohirei Rangatahi organisation.
Yeah, my name's Sheldon, from up north, and then from also Ngāti Kahungunu ways. Yeah, and so we're just a kaupapa Māori youth organisation based in Kirikiriroa, in the middle of Hamilton, right behind the Starbucks building. And so we offer a range of services, predominantly towards our youth, our rangatahi, and just developing them.
Oh, there's a lot. We go into kura, we run a lot of workshops around sexual health and value-based stuff as well. So it's an awesome opportunity for rangatahi to gain knowledge in Te Ao Māori and also gain knowledge in just their own personal selves as well.
Then also on Wednesday nights, we have, Wednesday and Thursday, we have youth support group nights where the boys get together on Wednesdays, the girls get together on Thursdays, and then they're able to, just be exposed to many different things that they might not have been exposed to before. So
and we just like to have fun with everyone.
Yeah, be out in the community as well. So we're here, we're at the Huckers Regionals, we get to Wakas. We get out wherever we can and just, spreading happiness, spreading joy.
And what are your guys' thoughts about the Koroneihana?
Oh, I think it's awesome. I think it's a mean way to get our region together. Like today's sports day is mean. Huckers over there by the which is really cool as well. Get all our ranga, get back to where it's cool.
Years of it's been
we're on social media, TikTok,